Welcome to the channel. My name is Chris, and today we're going to be looking at a walking bass line that's so easy even a beginner can do it. Of course, I'm going to show you the pro tips to take it from sounding like boring and bland to finally, at the end of the video, we're going to be combining chords with the bass line like this. So stick around till the end or skip till later in the video if you're a more advanced player. So let's get right into this concept, okay? We're targeting our three notes, the A, the D, and the E. Now those are the 1, 4, and 5 chords, so the easiest trick to get there is to walk chromatically. So if we're going from A, we can do is start 3 frets below, 2nd fret F sharp, and we're walking back into the root, so that works perfectly in time there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going into the 4 chord next, right? For bar 4, we had the A7 for the first 4 bars. Now bars 5 and 6, we're doing A. So again, walking from the 2nd fret after the root. Like that. When we're going back to A for bar 7, just like we did before. Okay? Now when finally we're doing those last 4 bars, we need to go to the 5 chord. Doing the same thing here, we're going to walk up to the 7th fret. Just like that. When we go down to the 4 chord, instead of going, you can grab the note here, the B note here, like that, instead of, so that helps a little bit. Going right to that D7, and then finally back to A. For bar 12, that's like your turnaround. So now let's dig into those little nuances that make it sound a little bit more bluesy and more interesting to listen to. 2 elements, muted picking and the shuffle feel with the hands. So that's the sort of bounce. So I'll show you what I mean. You can do things like sliding down. Different things like that will add something that's interesting. Don't overuse these because then they'll become repetitive and not as interesting to listen to, but mixing a little bit of these different elements can definitely make you sound a little more professional. So now let's look at the combination between the chords. So these are just shell voicings, which I talked about in another video I posted. A7, D7, and E7, those basic shell voicings, the root, the flat third, and the major third. So we start by playing the bass note, the rest of the chord, right, the flat 7 and the major third. Just like that. So now let's play through the 12-bar blues using the shapes and the walking bass line together. I'll count it off. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what it sounds like when combining both, and personally I think that's a lot more interesting to listen to than just playing the shapes or just playing the bass line. Of course, that's the ultimate goal, to be able to combine the two, but focus on doing each one individually before you combine them together. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another lesson. If you're looking for the interactive notation and tabs, you can find that on my Patreon. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.